Let's plan the week of July 29th through August 4th. This week I'm using the Life Reset Printable Kit from Glam Planner. I've been more intentional about exercise, drinking more water, and eating healthier, so I thought this kit made sense for this week. This is the first printable I've tried from her shop. I really like how she's put her kits together in the past, so I thought I'd give it a try. These kits are made for silhouette, but I really don't like my silhouette at all. I kind of hate it. So I decided to use my Cricut. I knew I'd have to do some finagling to try to get it formatted and printing right. And it was a lot of legwork. I didn't like that either, but I think I might try to use my silhouette next time, but I don't like it. It's so loud. But I know putting stickers on your planner is a little extra, but it makes me happy, so shut up. It kind of reminds me of when I'd go to the grocery store with my parents on Sundays when I was little, and we would buy those Tops stickers for the Barbie sticker albums. I really love those. So I like to put my to-do boxes on the top row, and I put art boxes in the middle row, and then I will put various size boxes on the third row, and then wrap it up with my social media boxes at the very bottom. But I messed that up from the very beginning. But I think it's going to work this week. Since I'm recording this so far in advance, I'll be leaving quite a few of the boxes blank for now, especially the to-dos at the top, because a lot of what I end up doing is dependent on the things I get done the day before. So I kind of have an idea of what I'm going to be doing, but I'm going to have to leave some space for edits. For now, this layout works pretty well for me. It's summertime, it's pretty quiet, the kids are not as active. In the coming weeks, it's going to be a lot different. We've got one kid starting a new job, we've got another kid leaving for college, and then my younger two are going to be going back to school too. So with school comes a lot of activity. They're both playing soccer, and it's practices and games so many days of the week and on the weekends. So we'll see. I might need to probably get rid of the to-do boxes, or maybe add some day extenders. So I'm not real sure, but I'm going to think a little bit more about that and go from there. But we're going to start with the layout as it is. So I'm putting my dates on there, and then I'm starting with the things that I know I need to get done this week, but I don't know what day I'm going to do them. I know I need to reorganize my laundry room and the fridge, but I'm going to have to buy a few new sorting trays and things to make that work. I'm going to be reading a galley version of Clash of Kingdoms, and then my habit tracker is nutrition. Basically, do I eat fast food or not? It's as basic as that. Moving on to Monday, I've got to print out some soccer agility drills, and I'm going to prep the new releases that I have coming to my shop on Friday. And then I'm going to do some laundry for Caleb. Moving on to Tuesday, I'm penciling in watering plants and coming up with more fall concepts for my UVDTF. So I'm going to do some laundry, probably towels. And then two kids have soccer practice, preseason. Wednesday, I'm going to print some of my UVDTF orders. I'm going to plan next week, and then we should have a package coming in from Pottery Barn, and my daughter needs that to go to school, so hopefully that will come in. And then for social media, Monday, I'm going to do a Friendship Day letter, rhinestone sub pencil holder, and wrap up a blue Simple Modern tumbler that I'm putting together. On Thursday, I need to schedule my August 2nd releases out on Shopify, and then I probably should post something related to Scentsy. I don't know yet. They're middle school pictures, and for social media, not doing social media yet, but it will be International Beer Day the following day, so I'm probably going to post something related to that. On the 2nd, Friday, I have vacation. I'm off a lot of Fridays, and that makes my heart happy. That's when I get a lot of my home organization stuff done. It's also payday, and I need to water my plants again. Saturday, I'm going to prep a care package for some coworkers, prep meds for the week, and Sunday, I'm doing some accounting. I should receive one more shipment from Adhesive Apothecary and more laundry. On Sunday, for social media, moving on to Friday, it's Watermelon Day and restocks at Adhesive Apothecary, so I'll post something about that. Post something about playing outside, post my new releases, and finally on Sunday I'm going to do another plan with me. So thanks for watching.